The red light.
Good. Oh my god, nipples.
No, he's white. I thought he was black. Mira eso.
Yeah?
You like?
Nice.
$5.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh wow, very nice. Yeah.
I give you a lap dance for free.
What are you selling? Do you work for T-Mobile?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good.
What are you selling pizza?
Go green. Bye.
No, he's a prostitute.
He's not a prostitute.
He is. What's he selling? He's doing all these gestures.
But he had the
He
T-Mobile.
says, you like?